दार्जिलिंग गाइस। तो आज हम फिर आए हैं दार्जिलिंग में रॉयल एनफील्ड शोरूम के यहाँ, जहाँ पे हमको इनविटेशन हुआ था। और आज हम फिर देखने जा रहे हैं, नया बाइक का लॉन्च यहीं पे होने जा रहा है। सो लेट्स बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक गुरिल्ला 450. Let's enjoy guys and watch how it looks and what are the features that we are getting in Guriल्ला 450 from Royal Enfield. Let's go guys. Guys, this is the bike that will be revealed just after few minutes. अभी सब लोग आ चुके हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड शोरूम दार्जिलिंग में, और आज सब लोग यहाँ पे विटनेस बन रहा है। गुरिल्ला 450 लॉन्च होने जा रहा है यहाँ भी। So guys, almost ready with bike and almost ready with the proceedings guys. So we'll be ready with after short time guys.
Good afternoon to all. I, Sachin Chetri, on behalf of Sona Wells, Royal Enfield Darjeeling, I welcome you all for the launch of our new bike. So starting with the bike, today we are celebrating the return of the rear roadster, Guriल्ला 450. The Guriल्ला 450 marks a return to what the roadster was always meant to be. It was energetic, imbued, and eager to match with the power plant and engineered to deliver the pure and primal fun. The Guriल्ला 450 is all about the design without distraction, with all the edges in the perfect place, with all the muscles in the right place. Now, coming to the dynamic of the bike, the Guriल्ला 450 dynamic chassis and the powerful engine makes this tarmac baby the perfect bike for the everyday and any day use, from twist to traffics. The Guriल्ला 450 comes with the low seat height, mid-set foot peg, and an upright riding position. So this Guriल्ला 450 evolves with your riding style and enable you to do everything and handle anything. So now coming back to the specifications, we have Sherpa 450 engine. The real cc is 452 cc, and now this is the bike which has the widest tire ever made by the Royal Enfield. So it has at the front 120 section tire, and at the rear we have 160 section tire, and also with the disc, it has the both disc with the ABS system, and the disc comes with the diameter is front at the 310 mm, and at the rear we have 270 mm. So we also have the smallest tank ever. So this has 11-liter tank. So that makes the bike more lighter than the Himalayan. It has the same engine as in the Himalayan 450, but with a different tuning and specified. So now I request anyone from Chola and anyone from the audience to please come forward and unveil the bike.
Okay guys, almost ready with the unreveal of Guriल्ला 452 Sherpa engine, again by Royal Enfield.
Guriल्ला 450 comes with the 5 different colors and 6 variants.
You guys, Guriल्ला.
Service DSM sir, Mr. Sujay sir, please come forward to the recording ceremony. I also request now Mr. Sir to please switch on the bike and do the listener. So, switch on.
So guys, Sherpa engine is on Gorilla 450 again from Royal Enfield, and just now we have heard about the tire, 120mm tire, rim 17mm tire, and with new features like telescopic suspension guys, and Sherpa engine again from same, which comes in 452 Himalayan guys, and the chain, beautiful guys.
2,39,000. That's the actual price. So starting is from like 2,39,000 for this model. So now coming to the features, as we can see, we have a widest tire ever in the Royal Enfield motorcycle. That comes with the 120 section tire. At the rear we have 160. It comes with the TFT display, and also with all the navigations featured in the TFT display itself. So we have a very new design of the tank, with the tank key at the very right of the tank, and also we have the ABS system at the both side, front and back, but we cannot switch off the ABS as we can do in the Himalayan. So as being the roadster, so we are not able to switch off the ABS, so it will always be on with the bike itself. So we have a very new 452cc Sherpa engine in this Gorilla 450, which is a very Newton meter of torque from this engine. So that's very capable of doing all the kind of riding from the end. Thank you very much. So you can please go.
Are you guys ready with the bike? So guys, instrument cluster, which comes in Himalayan 452 Sherpa engine again, but this bike is this tank comes with 11-liter tank guys, the shortest that Royal Enfield have bought, and backlight and indicator light both included in this, like in Himalayan guys. And the back tire guys, buffet, the big one, great one guys. यहाँ पर ट्राई गर्नु थाल्दैछ सबैले। ट्राई गरिरहेछ है यहाँनिर Gorilla 452 again by Royal Enfield.
Dago mouse la. Sorry. Sorry lah. एकछिन यता
गर्दो रहेछ वान्ट टु बी फिट भाइको च्यानलको नाम, र उहाँले पनि धेरै ब्लग गर्दो रहेछ, एभ्रिडे डेली लाइफ ब्लग्स मजाले हेर्नु होला भाइको है, वान्ट टु बी फिट। सो गाइज आज चाहिँ हामी आएको थियौँ यहाँनिर सोरुममा है, गोरिल्ला देखिरहनु भएको छ तपाईँले अहिले पनि, यो गोरिल्ला लन्च भइसक्यो। सो गाइज अनि my next vlog is startup hour from Darjeeling Suraj Rider guys. So I will be coming soon with test drive guys. Stay tuned with Darjeeling Suraj Rider until my next vlog is startup hour from Darjeeling Suraj Rider and Royal Enfield team Darjeeling. Bye bye guys.